Today we're checking out the TRIBIT XSound Plus 2 Bluetooth speaker. I want to thank them for sending this over to review on the channel. It's currently on sale for $57.99, plus there's a 10% off coupon on Amazon right now, but I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information. It's got two 15-watt speakers for a total of 30 watts. 2,400 milliamp hour battery with 24-hour playtime, Bluetooth 5.3. It's got party mode and it works with the TRIBIT app. At 60% volume with X-Bass off. It takes about 4 hours to charge back up. It's IPX7 waterproof. Also has hands-free calling, 3 custom sound modes, stereo pairing as well. Of course, you have your quick start guide, a small USB-C to USB-A charging cable. As you can see, it's a fairly small and compact speaker. Has a real nice soft touch material. Feels sort of like a TPU case that you would use on your phone. So it's not quite silicone. You can see it's got a port on the back, which is pretty cool. You can feel the air pushing through there as the speaker is playing. A headphone jack and charging port is there underneath the silicone cover. It's got an all metal grill there on the front. You can sort of see through it where the speakers are located. All your controls are here along the top: power, Bluetooth, volume up and down, a multi-function button or enter EQ settings, and your TWS pairing button. You've got 4 little silicone feet on the bottom as well, so that should help it from moving. Then you also have a lanyard. You'll see in the app, you've got your volume control right there in the middle, play and pause, forwards and backwards. You've got your different equalizer presets, or you can do a customized one as well. In settings, you also have auto shutdown. You can also customize what the EQ button goes to within the app as well. Also looks like there's a firmware update, so I might as well go ahead and do that. For the next part of the video, you'll want to use headphones so you can hear a little better detail. I'll play a few audio clips just to give you an idea of what this sounds like, and then I'll give you some of my thoughts on how it sounds. Not sure if you can tell from these clips, but this speaker sounds really good in person, much better than I was expecting. It also seems to have decent bass, especially if you have X-Bass turned on. I feel like if this had a different logo on it, like Bose or JBL, I don't know if most people would even notice the difference, especially considering the build quality. I think overall this would be a nice option if you're looking for a Bluetooth speaker with good sound quality at a more affordable price. Here's a few more samples just in case you're interested.